So what's good, people? I'm back with another episode, and today I'm going to break down the two losses that I encountered during London and New York session. I'm going to show you the mistakes that I did today, and I realized them that led to these losses. So today I was looking at Gbpusd and Cadjpy, and they all kicked me out of the market. Yeah, they all kicked me out of the market. Cadjpy dropped down to the stop loss with no remorse, straight to the stop loss. Yeah, Gbpusd stayed along, played around my stop loss for a while, about an hour. Retraced, I saw like $50 floating, and when New York opened, straight direct to stop loss. So let's get to see the charts and let's see where everything went wrong. So I'm going to start with the most recent trade, that is Gbpusd, and we are going to reevaluate and understand why these trades never went according to how I planned. So this is my 15-minute chart here. As you can see, I have marked my 1 hour order block pretty well, and if we move back to the 1 hour chart, you can see how things were. Get what I'm saying? So I drew my 1 hour on the block. I waited for price to tap into it, and it tapped into it nicely. Gave rejections, and immediately it came up towards my entry point. I triggered the buy button, and I was already in. So price played around the entry level, consolidating for a while, then broke down, came and reversed massively towards my entry, and later showed me some blues, and we were in profit for about 45 minutes, for about 30 minutes. Yeah, we were in profit for about 30 minutes. Then there was a reversal that came about. Then New York opened. When New York opened, it went straight to my stop loss. So this trade I risked more because I was trying to get to cover the first losses that I encountered during Cadjpy. So I lost about 1.2% of this trade. Yeah. So the main mistake that I committed here in this trade is not having my 1 hour confirmation. Yeah. So I got in a little bit early. Without a 1 hour confirmation. So that is the reason why my entry was not respected. So lucky enough, even if I could still wait until 1 p.m., I still could get faked out, because 1 p.m. ended outside the order block nicely. As you can see in the 1 hour chart, 1 p.m. candle closed above the order block, massively bullish. Then the 2 p.m. candle played games. It went up to about $50 of my trade, and retraced back. When it closed, the New York opened and straight stop loss. So we have to keep it aback here. The reason why this trade did not go as planned is because we did not check out our 1 hour confirmation. So that is something that we are putting down, that any trade that I'm going to get into must be having higher time frame confirmation. That means 1 hour candle must confirm our entry, so that we can come back to the 15-minute where we do our entries and get in. If not, we are not touching that button until we find a confirmation. So it's still a win to me, because I have understood what the mistake was. Yeah, I have understood what the mistake was. So that's what was happening with Gbpusd. And yeah, so let's jump to Cadjpy, where price moved straight to my stop loss. So this is what was happening. I marked a 1 hour order block right here that got respected. during London, and when I dropped down to 15 minutes, it faked out. It faked a position. It faked me into getting into the position. So this is what happened. I got in when I saw this bearish candle. See this bearish candle. Sorry, this bearish candle lied to me, and I was in. So a little bit of profit on this next candle and went directly to my stop loss. So the same mistake here is 1 hour has to give you a confirmation of entry. So that is one of the problems that I have discovered. So if that 1 hour gives you a confirmation, you're good to enter. If you don't have a 1 hour confirmation of price changing character or moving towards your buyers, then you don't trade. So that is what happened. And I could also, I marked a break of structure here. I could also wait for break of structure to happen here so that I could enter, but I entered so early, and first of all I never saw a BOS here, and my 1 hour confirmation didn't confirm anything, so I was knocked out of this trade. So total, we are back to 0.01%. that is a full reset of the account, and as you can see, we have lost $129.82 today alone, which is reckless. That is not supposed to be happening. I think the emotions played in a major part of this loss, so that's what's up. But the good thing is that we have known our mistake and known where we are going to rectify the next time. So that is what is happening. So we have 0.01%, and we need to get 8% so that we can achieve the goal. Already we are 8%. We are on the 8th trading day, and we are back to full reset. So the trading overview, as you can see, my chart, my performance chart, the first trade was taken on 16th June, and we are back 30th June with the same price. So we need to look into the mistakes that we committed today and make sure that we don't commit them again. So that's what's up. Tomorrow I'll not be catching any trade because we'll be having GBP news and the card bank holiday, and the USD red fold and JPY red fold and use. So tomorrow is not a good trading day for me. I'll not be catching any trades. So that's what's up. So thank you for tuning in, and thank you for being part of this journey. I said I'm going to be very much open and very much clear about this account. So if you're gonna blow it, let's blow it. If you're gonna make profits out of it, then let's make profit out of it. So that's what's up. See you on the next episode. Ciao.